Hey folks, it's Joe coming to you from Colorado Springs today. Only about, well, as the crow flies, only about a mile from my house. About a 15-minute drive. I'm at the foot of Cheyenne Mountain, right below NORAD actually. And I've got a really nice car. This is a 2021 Macan Turbo. Debadged, but it's a Macan Turbo 2021. As you know, the Macan Turbo in 2021, that's the motor that became the standard motor in the GTS. In 22, when they did the last facelift of the Macans, they did away with the turbo trim. They made the turbo motor the GTS motor. And so this is basically the same motor drivetrain as a current GTS in a 2021, of course referred to as a turbo. Beautiful Carmine Red, not Guards Red. And it's got the, don't hold me to it, mahogany interior, the brown, full leather interior, leather. No charge at this time. That when this was, you could have the aluminum, you could have the piano black, or you could have the wood trim. This one has the wood trim. Burmester stereo, PASM. Basically, this is a one-owner car that the owners, when they ordered it, checked just about every box. So super nice car, one owner. All the maintenance is up to date. It's had a water pump. It's had the PDK fully serviced, both sets of fluids. It's had 2 sets of spark plug changes. Just properly maintained at the dealer, and then most recently here in the Colorado Springs area at Big Mission Automotive. Steve there is my buddy, and I bring my own cars there. They're just terrific. As I look around at the car, there's almost nothing to report. Of course, over time with the mileage on this car, there's a little bit of patina. There is PPF on the front of the car. I can feel it. Yep. No PPF here and no PPF here. So the front of the car to here is PPF'd. There's 2 minors on the Carfax. One was a bumper cover only. One did something here and they blended into this panel and a little bit into the back of this door. It was done at Eurocars, which is the Porsche certified repair shop owned by Porsche Colorado Springs here in town. If I hadn't paint metered it, if I hadn't seen the Carfax, there's no way I would have seen it. The only evidence that I could see was you could see the little tape line at the edge, but the quality of the paint, the orange peel, the color, it's super good, as I would expect from that shop. I don't see any door dings. There's plenty of rubber on, tons of rubber on the Michelin tires. The surface rotors, this was an option. Of course, they did away with the PCCBs on Macan, so this was the top of the line rotors. These are surface coated rotors. There is absolutely no lip. I'm really impressed here because there's no lip at all. Now, it's a retired couple that owns it. They have not abused the car, of course, but there's no lip at all on these rotors. The pads are fresh. Look at these, they're shiny, and there's no lip. Super cool. So, if you want the performance of a new GTSs now are $110,000 to $120,000. I have a 5,000 mile used 2025 that's still high 90s. This car is in the 40s. Of course, it has 75,700 miles on it, but what a nice car. It has the updated infotainment, the big screen. If you'd like to see this car, if you'd like to see the Carfax, if you'd like to see the build sheet, give me a call. This is Joe, 720-382-6167. And as always, thank you for watching.